Hi, I'm Jamie Foxx. 25 years ago, Quincy Jones gathered an amazing group of artists and musicians to create We Are the World, written by Michael Jackson and Lionel Richie. I'm so proud to be able to share a new version of that song with a video by Academy Award-winning director Paul Haggis. 2 weeks ago, we found ourselves surrounded by a dazzling array of artists of all ages, backgrounds, and genres, but all of whom share a common commitment to take action to help Haiti rise from the rubble and rebuild. As artists, we hope that you enjoy the video and join us in this rare simulcast to millions around the world, as we ask you to please do more than just watch. Reach deep into your hearts and give anything you can, as we have, for Haiti. Ça passe, Naboule. Whatever you have, no matter how big or how small, it all counts. Thank you so much, and enjoy the video.
There comes a time when we hit a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying.
When it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all.
We can't go on pretending day by day
that someone somehow will soon make a change.
We are all a part of God's great big family, and it's true, you know, love is all we need. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we'll make a better day, just you and me. Well, send them your heart, oh, so they know that someone cares.
So their cries for help will not be in vain.
We can't let them suffer. No, we cannot turn away.
Right now, they need a helping hand. No someone lie. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving.
Oh, there's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives.
It's true, we make a better day, just you and me.
When you're down and out and there seems no hope at all,
But if you just believe, there's no way we can fall.
well, let us realize, oh, that change can only come when we stand together as one. We are the world. We are the world. We are the children. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving.
Gotta start giving. That is true, we make a better day, just you and me. We are the world. We are the world. We are the children. For the children. We are the ones who make a better day. So let's start giving.
There's a choice we're making.
We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. We are the world. We are
to find the dreams you thought was gone. Someone to help you move the obstacles you stumbled on. Someone to help you rebuild after the rumble's gone. We are the world connected by a common bond. Love, the whole planet singing along. Got my we are the world. We are the world. We are the children. So let's start giving. Let's start giving. Save a life, yeah.
Everyday citizens, everybody pitching in. You and I, 12 days, no water, what's your will to live? We'll amplify the love and watch it multiply. Feeling like the world's end, we can make the world win. Like Katrina, Africa, Indonesia, and now Haiti needs us. They need us, they need us.
We are the children.
Wow. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. You know, We Are the World 25 is an opportunity for us to see what we can do to help our fellow man. Haiti right now is in desperate need of our help, and only you can help them. Do what you can. Haiti needs your help now.